Hello, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to the TCS Digital Connect Bites.
So, as our podcast, our target audience is majorly students, and a lot of them are right now finding themselves at difficult junctures in their lives. A lot of them who are, about to start their careers or at crossroads of their careers. So, how can one make themselves relevant in these difficult times?
That's a fantastic question. With respect to technology, first of all, we have to stop stereotyping things. I've heard from young bloods, young people, you guys who are just probably coming out of college and stuff. If you study data analytics, Python coding, and full stack development and all, that's when you are relevant. That's not completely true. Knowing software development or testing is definitely one thing. Knowing where to apply it is another. Today, if manufacturers are trying to reduce cost by reducing wastage and downtimes, by making sure that they predict the damage that is going to happen to their products before even it is manufactured, what type of a technology will help them do this? IoT, data modeling, equipment monitoring software, etc. They all are something that would help. But you have to really understand what kind of need does the industry have. Manufacturing today is not just SAP or IoT. It's way, way more than that. If a manufacturer wants to understand that how the customers are reacting to their new mobile app or the e-commerce platform that they launched, or is the price that they are quoting, that's the right price and the customer is actually reacting to it well, how do they really track all these things? What behavioral metrics would you track? What kind of price optimization type of software is required for these things to understand the right kind of pricing, or metric analysis software will you develop? So coding, testing, architecture definitely comes next. But the key important message that everybody needs to understand is that if you want to be relevant, focus on problems and problem solving. What technology solution can help develop solutions for those problems? If someone launches a new application today, or certain types of technology, or a type of a language, coding language, try finding out the reason why they did that. Because what is that specific problem that they are trying to tackle, which their predecessors or other market solutions couldn't do? Know the root cause of it, build a proof of concept, and then drive your coding passion in the right direction. This will make you extremely valuable person for any organization any day. It's irrelevant whether it is today's pandemic or not.
Thank you, students. We'll see you soon again with another interesting episode. Till then, take care.